The LG V20 is here, and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone 12 from Cricket Wireless. So the iPhone 12 is not at Cricket, it's available in the storage options, so it's good, and it's also available in black, and I think that's the only color that you guys have to choose from here. So yeah, well, actually I take that back. You do have 4 colors to choose from here. You have black, green, red, and blue there. So you do have 4 colors to choose from. So it's nice. So the 64 GB iPhone 12 is $829.99, 128 gig. The 128 GB iPhone 12 is $879.99, and then the 256 GB iPhone 12 is $979.99. Alright, so yeah. So yeah, so this is the iPhone 12, of course. It looks like the iPhone 11 from last year. You do have your notch there for your front-facing camera, earpiece, and stuff like that. Power button on the right side of the phone. The M keys are on the left side of the phone, along with your light switch. So yeah. Back of the iPhone 12, we got some dual cameras, camera flash, upload, and whatnot. And then it'll take us what in the box is iPhone 12 in your lightning cable, and that is it. No charging brick or anything like that. So it's very interesting. Says it allows you to download movies on the fly and stream high quality video, beautifully bright 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display, so it makes you with 4 times better performance, incredible low photography, incredibly low light photography with night mode on all cameras, semi-grade Dolby Vision video recording, editing and playback, powerful A14 bionic chip, and new MagSafe accessories for easy attach and faster wireless charging. Let the fun begin. I don't know why the page is still loading. I don't know why, but whatever. So the iPhone 12 has a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display. It has a ceramic shield tougher than any other smartphone glass, 5G for super fast downloads and high quality streaming. A14 bionic chip, the fastest chip ever in a smartphone. Apple says it every year. Advanced dual camera system with 12 megapixel ultra wide and wide cameras, night mode, deep fusion, smart HDR, 3D, 4K video, 4K Dolby Vision HDR recording. They also have a 12 megapixel true depth front camera with night mode 4K Dolby Vision HDR recording as well, so that's pretty nice. Industry leading IP68 water resistance, of course, that's standard now. Support MagSafe accessories for easy attaching, faster wireless charging, iOS 14 with redesigned widgets on the home screen, all new Apple library, app clips, and more. As part of Apple's efforts to reach their environmental goals, iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 mini don't include a power adapter or AirPods. Please use your existing Apple power adapter and headphones or purchase these accessories separately. So there you go. So the only thing that you guys get in the box is your iPhone 12 and your lightning cable and that is it. Nothing else. Blast pass fast. 5G A14 Bionic, the fastest chip in a smartphone and edge-to-edge OLED display and night mode enabled camera. To behold and be held. The best iPhone display ever for incredible contrast and high resolution with ceramic seal which has 4 times better drop performance. Hello 5G, super fast speeds, super low latency, so you can get faster downloads, better quality video streaming, and more response to and more in real time interactivity. The chip that pushes what's possible. A14 Bionic is the fastest chip in the smartphone with a 16-core neutral engine. It crunches trillions of operations a second and it's super efficient for battery life. Low light is not a highlight. Night mode on all cameras give me look photos, even selfies, and a level of detail. Low lights, camera, action, iPhone 12, lets you record, edit, and playback Dolby Vision video. Use AirPlay to stream on TV or Apple TV or Smart TV. There's no phone like iPhone. Easy to use. Simple and intuitive, so it's easy to get around with just a tap or swipe. Smart performance, Apple design for speed, power, efficiency, and intelligent in everything you do. Durable and retains value. iPhone is built to last and holds its value longer than other smartphones. Protects your privacy. Every aspect is designed to keep your information private and secure. So you can compare the different iPhones here. So pretty cool. They all have 5G support. So that is very nice. Snap on a magnetic case, wallet, or both. A new ecosystem of accessories for effortless attachment and faster wireless charging with endless ways to combine. There is a mix to match any style. Apple Care Plus. So this is if you guys get an iPhone, get insurance on the force, so I will save you in the long run. This is expert support, extended coverage, Apple certified service, 24/7 priority access to support, repair and replacement coverage. Apple Music, lose yourself in 7 million songs. Stream 7 million songs ad-free, download your favorite tracks, play them offline. So yeah. Okay. So do you guys have the iPhone 12 is not here quick and wireless. It's available in 4 colors. You guys got black, green, red, and blue. The 64GB iPhone 12 is $829. The 128GB version is $879, and then the 256GB iPhone 12 is $979.99. So yeah, do you guys have an iPhone 12? Now here at Quick and Wireless. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. You guys are nuts, man. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.